Is that free smoke I see? Give me some free smoke.
CJ on 32s and you rocking out with
The life of Jerry Berry, man.
It's the real Nova 797.
TK's Garage.
You doing a budget, man? You rock with me. You need to rock with free smoke, baby.
Messing with Free Smoke heavy.
What up, YouTube? It's your boy Camelcat.
Beauty 392B.
This y'all doing free smoke. Hey man, say man, hey man, it's your boy man, real for real, man.
Free smoke, free smoke, hey, free smoke, free smoke.
And you're watching Free Smoke.
Are you watching Free Smoke?
Free Smoke.
Free smoke.
Free smoke, free
Smoke.
smoke.
Rocking with free smoke, man. Make sure y'all subscribe. Yeah.
To the latest podcast on YouTube, Free Smoke.
Make sure y'all tune in to the Free Smoke family,
Free
man.
Smoke. Yeah!
Yo, man, what is going on, man? Welcome back to another video. I'm your boy Fat Cat. We got Garage driven modern day muscle down below. If you don't know, you're watching Free Smoke, home of the automotive news for the culture. Let's go ahead and get into it, man. The first thing we got for y'all today, Josh Laurent, man. Yo, as y'all know, man, he just caught a C7 Corvette, and look at this, man. He let Mom Dukes take the wheel, I should say.
Hey, Mom Dukes was enjoying herself with this thing, man. I ain't gonna front, man. It was good to see, though. You know what I'm saying? Like, Mom Dukes kept on accelerating, yo. You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, she wouldn't get on it fully. Because, yo, she is scared of that power, bro. You know, these cars are no joke, you know what I'm saying? So, I guess compared to her little CTS and, you know, this big boy, you know, C7, Mom Dukes was like, nah, I just do a little bit. Just a little bit at a time. It was funny to see, man, but it's good that, you know what I'm saying, his mom's is enjoying, you know what I'm saying, her son's hard work also, and they're just taking that little bit of time, you know what I'm saying, to enjoy the car herself, you know what I mean, and feel it out and, you know, kind of get that experience of driving, you know, something like that, you know what I mean? So it was good to see, man. Shout out to Josh Laurent, you know what I'm saying, doing his thing, bro. You know what I'm saying? We can't wait to have him on the show also. So Josh Laurent will be coming on the show soon also. Just keep that in mind.
So,
yes, sir.
very,
But
very, very soon.
yeah, big respect to him though, man. Love it.
Yeah, for sure, man. Like I said, it's dope. You know, I would imagine that it's dope as a person to be able to share your accomplishments and your, you know what I'm saying, whatever it is that you're doing in life, man, be able to share that with your parents and have them experience the things too. Not just share them, like, not just come to them and be like, hey, look what I got, but also be able to be blessed enough to be like, here, you enjoy it as well. So I could just imagine that that's a dope feeling, you know what I'm saying? So big time shout out to Josh Laurent. Big time shout out to his mother for wanting to be on camera and actually go out there and make videos. Because, you know what I'm saying, that's another thing too. You know what I'm saying? Some parents be like, man, I ain't on that.
Get that camera out of here, boy.
That's for y'all young, you know what I'm saying?
Turn that ish off.
It's good that, yo, you can see she truly supports what he's doing, man, and I love it, bro.
Right.
I love it. You know what I'm saying?
So big time shout out to Josh Laurent for sure, man. Yo, the second thing we got on the main for y'all today, yo, man, Tall Guy Car Reviews, man, as y'all know, man, yo, first of all, big time shout out to Tall Guy Car Reviews for coming on the show. Last Thursday. Is it last Thursday? No? I don't know. Time's going by fast. But yeah, man, last Thursday. Yo, but big time shout out to him, man. And right after that, man, he went back and got his Lambo, as y'all see right here, man. We did a video on that. But unfortunately, there's still some issues with the Lambo.
Yeah, that check engine light came on. That shit said, help, I need help. Nah, it's honestly this time for that, you know, the Lambo needed a, you know, say a service, which the price that they told him, I was like, I'm good. I was like, yeah, I'm good. Yeah. And then they gave him a discount price, and I was like, I'm still good on that.
The discount price was nice, but
yeah, it was a lot of help. The discount price, it was, you know what I'm saying. It made you feel a little bit better, but it still was like, damn. But yeah, you got to pay to play, like he said, man, at the end of the day. And that's just what it is, man. You know what I'm saying? The car's going to be back on the road shortly. And, you know, they gave him a rental, a little loan account, but it ain't on the same level, man. I'm like, come on, Lambo. Give me something else, man. Give me something else in that level.
I was I was a little disappointed with that little loaner.
Yeah. Tall guy ain't trying to drive that joint. He about to drive it home, park it, and then drive it back.
Right. he might go run some errands real quick, but he ain't gonna be out and about. He gonna run an errand, come right back.
Nah, he gonna use that joint to go to Vegas and back too. Put some miles on that thing. Like, yo, let me go get my other car.
Yeah, that's true.
Hey, that's what I would be doing. Yeah.
You're right about that, man.
I must say some big shout out to Tall Guy though, man, for the end of that video. He did show us a lot of love, man. That was just like real genuine of him to, what I'm saying, plug us in that, what I'm saying, in the end of that video like that. It was just, it was just amazing, man. Amazing feeling, what I'm saying, just to, for him to be able to show that type of, gratitude towards us, man. What I'm saying, like, and it definitely lets us know that we're doing something right and we're heading in the right direction. So it was a great feeling.
Yeah, 100%, man. Like I said, that. Well, first I would say, yeah, man. It's crazy when you got these supercars, man. A lot of people don't really understand, or they don't. I mean, they understand when you get these cars, but they don't consider it, I guess, when they're achieving to get to that level. They forget about the cost. What it costs to operate these things. A car. A big ass house, like when they be like, man, I want to, I can't wait to make it because I'm gonna get a big ass mansion or this, that, that. Like it costs to, you can't just
maintain
buy it.
that.
You gotta maintain it. You gotta pay your property taxes. You know what I'm saying? Your water bill is gonna be stupid. Yeah.
If you busy like him, you gotta pay landscaping. Like that's another thing. Like
landscape is gonna be dumb.
I know you're not gonna be riding by like, oh, that's Tall Guy car reviews, and you see him pushing a lawnmower. I doubt that. Tall Guy is just a little bit too busy for that. I'm sorry.
Yo, and you know what? And I ain't even gonna lie, man. So I know some people, man. They got 5 acres, not too far away from me. I got some friends, man. They got 5 acres worth of land, and their bill, and they just do like, hey, man, I just had the people come out. They're always upset. I know this because they complain about the landscapers, right? Because that's one thing about landscapers. You're never gonna be 100% happy because you're gonna see something to be like, bro, y'all could have cut that. You know what I'm saying? Or y'all could have like shaped that the right way. But anyway, point being is, man, their bill I think is about $500-600 a month on 5 acres. You know what I'm saying? Like just for landscaping. Think about that, man. $600 bill. That's a car payment. You know what I'm saying? And you got it for people cutting your grass. So and I'm not even sure if they even do the whole 5 acres. They might just do whatever right around their house and call it a day. But yeah, man,
I was just about to ask you, are the Disney bushes included? You know how they shape them all round.
I don't think they do that. But yeah, man. But you know what I'm saying? But anyway, but point being is that it costs, you know what I'm saying? Like all these toys, you know what I'm saying, your dwelling, you know what I'm saying, if you get a big ass dwelling, all that stuff costs, you know what I'm saying? Not just buy it and forget about it. So yeah, man, yo, when he said that price on that maintenance, that first original price, I was like, that's a good down payment on something, you know what I'm saying? Just to, you know what I'm saying, for you to go out there and be like, yo, change my oil, you know what I'm saying? That's a down payment for most people. But yeah, man. But shout out to Tall Guy, like Garage, you know what I'm saying? Big time shout out, man, all the love that he showed at the end of that video. Man, we was watching him like, damn, that's crazy, man. Like, you know what I'm saying? For somebody such a big name in the game to see what you're doing, man, and respect what you're doing, like what you're doing, bro, we can't do nothing but take our hat off and salute him for that, because you know what I'm saying, that's dope. And like I said, it reassures us that we must be doing something right and we're on the right path. You know what I'm saying?
Exactly.
So,
and we'll continue to strive in the right direction as well too.
100%, man. But yo, that's all we got for y'all today, man. Yo, Modern Day Muscle, man, what we got for special announcements today?
Yo, so for special announcements, the first thing I got is we got Grudge Fest happening July 4th. Make sure you go
24th.
Oh, my bad. July 24th. I can't read, guys. Sorry, my bad. Long day at work. Excuse me. Saturday, July 24th, we got Grudge Fest. Make sure you go and check it out on Demonology's website, www.demonology638.com. All right, so we got a couple waffles, guys. We got a Scrappy right here. If you want to tap into this waffle right here, make sure you go and check out CJ on 32s or send Reese's bio on their Instagram to tap in to win in this nice car, man. And then the next waffle that we have right here is on CJ. It's for CJ on 32s, which, you know, again, tap up into his bio, as you can see right here, really nice. Well, let me go back, guys. I missed that. You see the wheel right there, really, really nice. Yeah, speaker system, nice, man. Tap up into this one as well too. But other than that, guys, that's all we have right now.
All right, guys. I just want to tell you guys, man, appreciate you guys supporting us, rocking out with Free Smoke, man. It means a lot. You know what I'm saying? All the continued comments and the, you know what I'm saying, that we get every day. You know what I'm saying? We try our best to respond to everyone. And you know what I'm saying? Other than that, man, like, yo, we just we just enjoying all the support, man, and all the love we've been getting, you know what I'm saying, till this day, you know, thus far or whatever. But in the description below, we have our shirt sizes, our PO box. You guys can go ahead and send us whatever you guys want. You know what I'm saying? Whatever it is you feel like you want to send Free Smoke, it's there, man, just for you know what I'm saying, for your yeah, I guess your enjoyment, whatever. But anyway,
for our enjoyment.
For our enjoyment, yes, we're gonna enjoy those.
For your amusement, our enjoyment.
Your amusement, our enjoyment. Hey, man. Nah, but yeah, other than that, man, that's it, man. I appreciate you guys' support, like always, man. Whenever you go to another YouTuber's channel, make sure you guys hashtag Free Smoke Squad so they know where you guys are coming from. And you know what I'm saying, they'll know that we're watching, supporting, and reporting, man. But other than that, man, that's it. Thanks for tapping into this video and rocking out with Free Smoke for this time.
Yeah, man, that's all we got, man. We appreciate y'all. Hey, don't forget though, real quick, I didn't also get to mention it, but yo, that Scrappy waffle is like literally in a couple days is over. So if you want to get in on that Scrappy, you got to do it like now. You know what I'm saying? Because I think they're gonna announce or do the drawing July 4th. So you only got a couple days.
Yep.
So,
okay.
All right, man. But other than that, that's all we got. Yo, bless up to everyone out there. Big time shout out to the Free Smoke Squad. If you don't know, you are watching Free Smoke, and we do this for the culture. And we out of here later.